Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect FXCM with NinjaTrader. So basically, in order for you to do this, the first thing that you want to enable is the multi-provider option. Now with this one, it will make sure that we are able to connect other accounts to our NinjaTrader platform. Just click on the tools button, click on settings, and then you have the multi-provider option right here. With this one, it will enable multi-provider functionality onto our application. So to finally connect our FXCM account, you can just click on connections, click on configure, and from here we have the FXCM configuration. And we have another one, which is the NinjaTrader FXCM. You can try both of these configurations or connections out. So double click on it to configure the connection. And from here, you then have to enter the username of your FXCM account, the password, click on apply, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.